Have you ever failed to prepare for an exam before the day you were supposed to take it? Oh, have you ever failed to prepare of an exam before the day you supposed to take it? Well, I understand this question, but the construction of the sentence is bit confusing to me. I felt like that ki I understand, but I might kind of like a doubt in myself that I might not understand, because the construction of the sentence is way much something really very different than you think it is. Still, let's just translate this question and then I might understand. All right. क्या आप कभी किसी परीक्षा की तैयारी उस दिन से पहले करने में असफल हुए जिस दिन आपको परीक्षा देनी थी? Just ask the same question na, like have you ever kind of like something prepare a exam a day before? Yeah. Why is kind of like something so, the construct of the sentence is really difficult. I don't know why it make it difficult, I don't know, but yeah. So a question is that ki, have you ever kind of like a something really prepare a exam a day before? Well, yes, I prepare. Not a day before. Not day before is a kind of like a something really very too much. Okay, like usually I do prepare a little bit, not too much, but the main thing required for pass in exam, the all the important thing that I revision everything, all those things actually happen a day before. Yeah, the entire semester I was actually just doing kind of like a this and that, like basically not that much study. Yeah, it's just like that कि अभी पता है कि कल मेरा strength of material का एग्ज़ाम है. So what would I do is that कि I just go through all those previous question papers. Okay, look that कि which questions are literally common and things like that. I categorize all those questions and I just go through that. Okay, as also how do I understand this thing? At that time, I don't really take kind of like a something like that कि पूरा रट्टा मारना है नहीं. I just try to understand what exactly is this thing. If I don't, then I went to kind of like a Google or YouTube understand this. What is exactly the material? What is exactly the strength of material and this and that. Try to understand. Okay, and basically I just try to signify it like a just, I don't know, I just try to figure it out that ki how do I supposed to write. Okay, so it's a kind of like a something really that na ki I just make notes by myself, okay, about these important questions and how do I supposed to answer. And basically in the engineering most of the questions are a little bit of common. Yeah, like at least that much common that you could pass the exam. Okay, so this is my kind of like a something really a funda that I could kind of like a something really figure it out that how do I supposed to pass in the exam. Yeah, and I'm not the only one, everyone does that. Okay, it's not kind of like a something like a secret funda that I only knew. No, everyone knows that. Okay, but yeah, it's just like that na ki ha, most of the preparation of the exam is actually happen a day before. Yeah, kind of like a something like couple of days before. Yeah. इंजीनियरिंग तो शायद ऐसा ही होता है, बट इफ़ यू वेंट टू अदर मेडिकल और एनी अदर एग्जामिनेशन, it's something really very different. Okay, they prepare kind of like some years of years and then they do exam. It's a lot of things. All right, question is, all right, next question.